Cravings don't mean you're weak, they mean your diet is broken. Here's the fix. 4 Ninja Creami bases, vanilla, chocolate, peanut butter, and peanut butter chocolate, 40 plus grams of protein each. You're gonna eat one of these every single night and feel like you officially cheated the system. First, let's do the vanilla base. I'm adding 1.5 cups of Fairlife Skim Milk, and I'm using this because Fairlife is ultra filtered, meaning that it has 50% less sugar and 50% more protein than regular skim milk. Next, I'm adding 1 scoop of Optimum Nutrition's vanilla ice cream flavor. We'll be using this protein powder for all the bases today. Now to make it extra vanilla-y, we're adding some pure vanilla bean paste. You can also use vanilla extract, but I find that the vanilla bean paste adds a bit more of a premium taste to the ice cream. And now we'll add a pinch of salt, which acts as a flavor magnifier. It'll really make the vanilla pop, so don't skip this step. And lastly, xanthan gum. Depending on the size of your pint, use 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon. This is a stabilizer. Since we're using zero-fat milk, if we didn't add this ingredient, it'd be way too icy, and we wouldn't get that creamy texture that ice cream has. Mix it up and freeze it for at least 24 hours, and put it in the creamy on the light ice cream setting. If it comes out crumbly on the first spin, hit the respin button and don't add any milk. And once that's done, it should look like this. This vanilla base has 269 calories and 44 grams of protein. And one of my favorite recipes to make from this is the chocolate chip cookie dough Ninja Creami, which is just adding Ben & Jerry's cookie dough and some chocolate chip. Next up is the chocolate base. We'll be using Fairlife's ultra filtered chocolate milk. It is a bit more in fat, but because it's ultra filtered, it still has less sugar and more protein than regular chocolate milk. Then add the protein powder, and now to give it that rich chocolatey taste, we're adding in some unsweetened cocoa powder. Now the salt and xanthan gum. Freeze for 24 hours, light ice cream setting, and it'll come out looking like this. This chocolate base has 357 calories and 47 grams of protein. Super smooth, super creamy. And one of my favorite recipes to make from this is the brownie batter creamy. Now up, the peanut butter base. We'll use this Fairlife milk again, protein powder, and now we'll add in PB Fit to get that peanut butter flavor without all the calories. Now the salt and xanthan gum. Freeze for 24 hours, light ice cream setting, and it should look like this. This peanut butter base has 300 calories and 51 grams of protein. And one of my favorite recipes to make from this is the peanut butter crunch creamy. Finally, we have the chocolate peanut butter base. Use the chocolate Fairlife milk, the protein powder, PB Fit, the unsweetened cocoa powder, salt, and the xanthan gum. Freeze it for 24 hours, light ice cream setting, and it should come out looking like this. This peanut butter chocolate base has 400 calories and 53 grams of protein. And from this base, you can make the peanut butter chocolate crunch.